Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Maybe Unique, and today we're just going to see how to add the bio on your Pinterest account about yourself on your Pinterest account by on the mobile phone. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
So how do you add the about section on your Pinterest account? So for example, here if you are just using a normal account, click on the profile on the top or click on, if you are using a business account, click on the three-dot option, then click on the setting option. After clicking on the setting option, you have to click on the option called edit profile. So after click on the edit profile, just scroll down, you have the option called about tell your story. Click on here. So here, this is your chance to tell the Pinterest community what the page is about your, for an example, if you're a tech creator or if you're making a videos and photos or related content about what your fashion or technology or cooking, what the passion you or what are the idea you just influenced in this particular page. You can just gradually make your notes here and just make your about section which clearly describe your page about. So here I just using actually a tech content, so I just going to make a tech launcher themes and explain about that like that. It's just for an example, and click on the done option. Now click on the done option again. Now you can see it's actually updated on your profile. So this is the way that you can just make your about section clearly on your Pinterest account. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet in the next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Maybe Unique. Have a wonderful day.